Just parked the bike and paid entrance, so it's 2,000 kip to park the bike, and it's 20,000 kip for entrance, so you can do this for 22,000. And not only does it include the waterfall, it includes the moon bears. Let's have a look at these.
It's up my time. And I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, I wanna make you sweat on me.
Feel the burn, Joe. Feel the burn. We've been swimming right at the top. There's like 3-4 different stages, so you can go. This is the bottom stage with a little bridge in it. So this is the bottom stage, then you go up where you can go swimming, and you go up again, which is the big waterfall, and then after that you can go like to the very top, about a 10-minute climb. It's quite a steep climb. To be honest, I don't recommend it. There's not a lot up there. There's a little swing, and other than that there's not really much to see, and it's quite a long and hard climb, so I wouldn't really bother there. Another great tip is there's lots of tours and trips that come here, so they leave at 12 o'clock, but they only get 2 hours in a minivan. So yeah, they come at 12 and they're gone by 2. So if you rent a scooter, come after 2 o'clock, I mean, you can see we've got the whole place to ourselves. Top tip, bring a jacket, because it's cold.
Don't look at me, look at them. They got it.
Here's the pro travellers. So we are going to Katsai Waterfall. We know nothing about it. Clean and Harold have brought us here, so it's a real nice surprise.
So this boat costs 20,000 kip per person.
No, 10,000 kip per person.
Oh yeah.
And then 15,000 to get into the waterfall. So 25,000 kip per person. It's cute. Let's have a look what it looks like.
Got me up all night, putting things on the side. What do you have in mind? She's awake all the time. What are you trying to find? I hope this ain't a lie, 'cause I'm vibing with all we have. Yeah, I'm feeling what we are now. I'm laying down on the ground. All I do is thinking out loud. Yeah, I'm vibing with all we have. I'm feeling what we are now. All I do is thinking out loud.
So we're in Laos in January, and that is currently the dry season, which means that these beautiful waterfalls are a little bit dry.
There's basically no water here. I mean, this is the extent of the waterfall.
With these emotions, tell me, what do you have in mind? Tell me, what do you have in mind? I put my heart on the line through a phone in the night. No, I'm here by your side. So tell me, where are you now? When your head is in the clouds, I wanna find out now. 'Cause I'm vibing with all we have. Yeah, I'm feeling what we are now. I'm laying down on the ground. All I do is thinking out loud. Yeah.
And we are finished with Luang Prabang. Goodbye.
Bye, Luang.
So we're about to jump on a 5-hour minibus to Vang Vieng, and it's Jodie's birthday tomorrow. Yay! So we'll see what we'll do to celebrate her birthday. Peace out. Raise the June.